If your Discord bot uses the listener guild member add to automatically add, for example, a specific role to users who join a Discord server. However, when a new user joins the server, they are not getting the specific role. And there is no runtime error in your program's console. Try this. First, stop your bot from running. Then, go to discordapp.com/developers in your web browser. Then, click on your bot's application. Then, click on bot and scroll down to the section Privileged Gateway Intents. Then, in that section, enable Server Members Intent by clicking on the switch next to Server Members Intent. Then click on Save Changes and start your bot again. Now when a user joins the server, the user should automatically get the specific changes that are described in your guild member add listener. In this case, automatically adding a specific role applied to them. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.